In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to smoothly navigate through Etsy's shop management system to update your bank account details under Finances. Whether you're new to managing your Etsy shop or just need a little guidance on keeping your payment details up to date, I'm here to walk you through the process step by step. Now let's dive right in and make sure you have everything set up correctly. First things first, you'll need to visit Etsy's website. If you're on your computer or your mobile device, simply open your web browser and type in Etsy, or you can even use a search engine to get there swiftly. Ensure you are logged into your Etsy account. This is crucial because you'll need access to your seller's dashboard. Once logged in, look out for the Shop Manager icon. It's typically located at the top right corner of your Etsy homepage. This is your main hub for all things related to managing your shop, so it's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this section. After clicking on Shop Manager, you'll see a list of options on the left side of your screen. Scroll down until you find Finances. Click on that, and it will take you to your financial overview where you can manage your transaction history, billing, and most importantly, your payment setup. Under the Payment Methods section, you'll want to locate the option labeled Add a Bank Account. This function is indispensable for updating your bank details or verifying a new account. Now, once you're on the Add a Bank Account page, you're going to need some vital information, so it's handy to have your bank details ready. This usually includes your bank's routing number and your account number. Accurate entry of these details is essential to ensure payments from Etsy are deposited into the correct account. This process may also involve verification steps, which could include inputting a verification code sent to you or confirming small deposit amounts that Etsy sends to your bank account. Such measures help ensure that your bank account is linked securely and that all transactions are processed smoothly. After entering all the required information, take a moment to recheck everything. Confirm any agreements or prompts to save your data. Verifying your new details might take a little time, so don't worry if you don't see an immediate update. Once confirmed, Etsy will update your payment details, ensuring that your sales proceeds are sent to the newly specified account. And just like that, we're done. Keeping your financial information up to date ensures you won't face any interruptions in your payment processes, enabling you to focus on what truly matters, your creativity and business growth on Etsy. I hope this detailed walkthrough has been helpful to you, making the whole experience less daunting and more manageable. Thanks for sticking with me, and until next time, happy selling.